investing for beginners. Last week I made over 2,500. August 12th to August 16th. For August 1st to August 15th, only 2 weeks. So basically about 11 days. Remember, not every day is a 20 days. We have Saturday, Sundays. So 4 Saturday, Sundays. So over 11 trading days, I make over 1,000, 10,000, 15,000. That's pretty good. Look at that. So it's better than July. July 1st to July 31st. 14,000. So in 2 weeks. So today I'm going to talk about what opportunity allow me to make this amount of money. And I'm going to talk about 6 stocks that going to be reporting earnings this week and which stocks am I interested in. And also, great economy news could be coming up pretty soon. S&P 500, the past 5 days, 3.78%. And Friday is only up 0.2%. It's very normal because we had a very big jump on Thursday. So the question is stock market crash over? That's what we're gonna look at today too. Year to date is still up 70.11%. The past 1 month, it recovered. It crashed. Then after that, it recovered. One thing you need to know is that when it happened, do not sell great companies. Personally, I do not sell great companies. Do you know why? Because if you look at the past six months, the stock downturn going down, it takes about 3 weeks. Look at that. July 16th to August 5th, August 7th. So it's about 3 weeks. Now the stock market recover. How long did it take? August 7th to August 15th. It's only 1 week. Technically, it's only 3 days. We had a big jump in 3 days. Only 3 days is recover all the gains that we lost. If you had sold your stock right here, let's say right here on August 2nd, oh, it could be going down a lot more. I want to sell the stocks and buy back later. Then what's gonna happen? August 5th, yeah, you may be feeling really good for one day. You know, Friday you sold the stock. Monday, oh, it's down, so pretty good. Lucky I sold it. You will be really happy. Then August 7th, yeah, you see, I told you so. That's why I sold the stock. You see, stock market is stay down. Then from August 8, 9, you will feel like shit because you sold the stock and you cannot buy it back at the same price. Look at that. It's up only within 1 to 2 days. You see? That's why I do not sell the stocks. So what can you do at this time when the stock market crash or correction? I buy great companies. This is the best time to buy great companies, and I use advanced option. I sell put options. So because I get higher premium when the stock market crash, then I wait for the stock market to go up. Then I would use call option to buy. See, it's so simple to make money. How many people do you think makes money like this? Most people do not make money like this. See, it's because they get emotional. They do not know how to invest in stock. They think it's gambling. They think it's luck. It's not luck. Okay, it's something you do. Let me tell you something about luck. Luck is something that you do that gives you the result. So if you do good things, you're gonna be lucky. If you do bad things, you're gonna be unlucky. As simple as that. So if you want to profit in stocks, you need to learn stock investing. Year to date is still up 70.11. Doesn't matter. Nasdaq 5 days up 5%. And 1 day 0.21 because Thursday we had a big jump. 1 month, look at that. The same thing, down, up. The same thing, down, up. It will be the same thing. Dow Jones, 5 days up 2.79%. One day, didn't move so much because we had a very good Thursday. So 6 months, the same scenario. If you had sold Dow Jones stock, you will be regretting, oh, I sold it, I could not buy it back again. Now, if you already sold the stock, you don't want to buy it back at a higher price, because you are expecting that stock to go down. Because you sold it right here, your profit is very, very minimal, if there is any. And you sold it expecting to buy back much lower, then you could not buy it back lower. So what will you do? You will just wait. Personally, if I were you, let's say I had sold great stocks by mistake, I will buy it back right away, even if it's at a higher price than the price that I sold. Because great companies, they usually outperform over time. They go up. So that's why I'm not gonna sell anything. When it go down, I just buy. It's shopping time, discount, black money. See, and I will just use advanced options, sell put options. And when it goes up, now is the time to use call options. So the question is the stock market crash over? Yes, in my professional opinions, for the short term. We never know what's gonna happen tomorrow or the next week. There could be a war, there could be a recession, there could be another COVID. Anything can happen. But if there's no unforeseen events, I believe stock market crash is over. So why do I say so? Last week we got a few economists reports. PPI index, producer price index, lower than expected, which means better. Core PPI, yes, a little bit higher, but people just ignore it. They care more about producer price index. And plus, not only that, consumer price index was in line. CPI year over year lower than expected. Good, better. Core CPI in line, yeah. And the most important thing is Thursday, the stock market jumped because of an initial jobless claims. People were so afraid that we could be having a recession in US. So when they see that people do not lose jobs, then you know what? We're not gonna have a recession. So yeah, that's what the stock market jump. That's it. Friday, yeah, there were less house sold than forecasted. So housing price I expected to come down a little bit. May not be so much because when the Fed cuts the interest rate, the housing could recover again. So let's look at this week economics news. Federal Governor Christopher Wallace gonna be speaking. So there will be lots of speakers from Federal Reserve this coming week. Tuesday, yes, another two Federal Reserve personnel speaking. And Wednesday, FOMC meeting, you see, what are they going to say that in that report? Most likely they're going to cut interest rate. 100% chance in September. So if they say inflation is coming out, all the good news, yeah, we are having soft landing, stock market could go up again. Another thing, jobless claims, if it's lower than expected, it will go up again. And Jerome Powell is going to speak at the Jackson Hole retreat. If he sounds more dovish and say economy is doing well, inflation is coming down, we are achieving our objectives or something like that, he's not gonna say 100% completely. I think it's gonna take about a few more months before he say that. Then yeah, I expect the stock market to go up. Yeah. So let's look at 6 stocks that's gonna be reported earnings on this coming week. Lows year to date 10.29%. 5 years, does it beat S&P 500? Yes, it beat S&P 500. So this is a stock that I can think about investing. I only invest in stock usually if it beats S&P 500, 92.28%. It beats S&P 500. Yes. Has this business, Lowe's company, been in the business for at least 10 years? Look at that. 90-21, yes, that meets my second criteria. The third criteria is, has it been a public company? We can trade stocks for at least 5 years. Yes, 5 years. And do I like this business? I'm okay. So it's okay for me not to buy this business. So that's why I do not own this business. But when it becomes so undervalued, I may be interested by this business. Criteria number 5, balance sheets, financial statement. I like it. I like them. So no problem. So only that the business is okay not for me not to own the business. But if it gets really undervalued, yes, I will be really interested by this company. And right now the interest is going down. So over the next few months, 6 months or so, I expect the real estate related company, the stock price to go up. Lowe's is real estate related because when people start buying more houses, they need to renovate their house. So they need to buy lots of house materials from Lowe's. So yeah, this could be going up. Next one, Toll Brothers. They sell you houses, new construction houses. Year to date is up 28.22%. 5 years, yeah, it beat S&P 500. It has been in the business for at least 10 years. It has been a public company for at least 5 years. So it meets pretty much all my criteria. Except number 4, do I like this business? May not be so much because I own better business. So real estate is quite cyclical, and that's why I do not like to own real estate companies. Also subject to interest rate. Short-term trading, yes, definitely. When the interest rate goes down, these stocks are expect them to go up much more. So yeah, I can do trading. Yeah, of course, this is not financial advice. You can make your own decision. You don't need to follow my decision. Okay. Next one, DJS stock. It's a department store. Year to date, 19.40%. It's up because interest rate going down. People are gonna spend more money. So inflation is going down as well. So people are gonna shop more. So it's good for this company. So that's why it's going up. 5 years, does it beat S&P 500? Okay, yes, it beats S&P 500. Yeah, you could think about it. The only reason why I would not invest in this company is because I do not like retail or department stores. That's it. I haven't checked the financial statements or balance sheet yet, so I wouldn't know. Yeah, you can check it if you want. So let's go to another one. Target department store, grocery store. Year to date, does that move so much? 5 years, it does not beat S&P 500. Nope. So we don't even have to look at it. It used to be S&P 500, but not anymore. That's probably one of the reasons why I do not like to invest in retail store, department store, because it will be very hard for them to beat S&P 500 consistently every year. So yeah, do I care about dividend yield? 3.1%? No, because even I'll need to be investing lots of money. So if you invest in 100, you get $3, 1,000, $30, and 10,000, 300, 100,000, 3,000 for 1 year. Then 1 million, maybe that will make probably difference. But I do not need 1 million to make this amount of money. See, I only have about 200,000. In the account. I make 15,000, 10,000 plus every month. So it's like double. 100% return over 1 year period. So why would I invest a few millions just to get paid 3%? See, in this stock? No, definitely not. So that's why I don't care about dividend. If you know how to use options, advanced option, you don't need dividends. Okay. Next one, Intuit. I like this business. Yes, it beats S&P 500, and also has been in business for at least 10 years. And public company for at least 5 years, and I like this business, and they have good balance sheet, income statement. So why do I not own this company? Because it's overvalued. I would not pay $2 million for $1 million house. It doesn't matter. I like this $1 million house. It's in a great locations, great school district, neighborhood is good. The price could appreciate more, but I'm not gonna pay $2 million for $1 million house. because I know that if I pay that, there is a risk that it's gonna crash to 500,000 or 700,000 if there is a real estate market crash. And second thing, it's gonna take longer time. Let's say you buy $1 million, you pay $2 million. It's gonna take you maybe 20 years to make up for that difference. See, that's why I do not like to overpay for business, even if it's a great business. Never overpay. It doesn't matter if it's a great business or good business. If it's a bad business, average business, even if they are so undervalued, I'm not gonna buy. I only buy great companies, great businesses when they are undervalued, because it's very hard for me to lose money. When I pay only 500,000 for a good house, $1 million house in a great locations, in a great neighborhood, in a great school district, the neighborhood price are appreciating. It's very hard for me to lose money. You get it? Here, let's look at the next stock. Baidu stock. Baidu is a Chinese internet search engine like Google, down 22.87%. 5 years, no, it doesn't beat S&P 500. So I'm not interested. And this business is undervalued, in my opinion. It's a good business. Then why does it go up? Because it's in a bad environment. Your Chinese policy are not conducive to the stock price. That's why I don't like to own Chinese companies. The same way with your work, your job. Let's say your boss doesn't appreciate you. It doesn't matter, no matter how you're gonna work hard and you're gonna make the company so much money, or you're gonna save so much cost for the company. If your boss doesn't like you, doesn't appreciate you, he's not gonna give you a raise. He's not gonna promote you. It's like that in Chinese stock. China policy are not conducive. So why would I invest in Chinese stock? No, but personally, I like this business. The founder is Robbie Lee. He's the founder. Do you know how he became a billionaire? It's a very good story. He and his wife were watching a documentary of the Yahoo founder, Jerry Yang. Jerry Yang, in the middle of the screening, watching film, his wife said, "Hey, you should be the next internet company founder. Do not be satisfied with this life. Let's make it happen." Something like that. She said that to him, and she pushed him a lot. Inspired by his Yahoo founder, Jerry Yang. So that's why it's important to have role model. Inspired by his role model, Jerry Yang, and his wife motivations, he became a billionaire because he started this Baidu companies. So if you are inspired by my result, that's why I always show my result. See, because I want to inspire you to work hard, to study hard, start investing, call option, put options, invest option. And you can check out my playlist. Go to Master Risk Stock Options Crypto, and you can check out invest option trading, forex trading, whatever that you want to like. If you want to know something that you want to do step by step, you can watch how to videos, how to trade stock, how to options, advanced options, stuff like that. Click on it. If you want to talk to me, you can click the link down below as well. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.